What is going on, Cravers? It is your girl Sandy, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, okay, I'm looking a hot mess, which is okay, but I just want to say, I think you guys may enjoy this vlog a little bit more. So by the time this video come out, you guys will know everything that'll be out, the process of everything, behind the scenes. So I like to do behind the scenes, y'all, but I will kid y'all not, I struggle doing a lot of behind the scenes because it takes up time. And when it takes up time, I feel like it slows me down. So I'm gonna really try in this video. I have so much to do. I do need to upload the last video. So right now at this time, as I'm recording this video, the last video is not even out yet. I'm just want to enjoy my time. I want to get some coffee going, get some breakfast going for me, just get a good start of my day. Last night I started a whole nother idea on another kit. I know I hate, but it's really crazy how I work. I'm gonna be honest, like I'm really like, I feel if I was to get things done, like start things in a great timely manner, I probably would have a lot more that I want. But the fact that I keep having stuff happening where I'm spending money where I didn't want to spend money, but either way, I'm looking at it as if it's an investment, that's different, you know. But I really have to make sure that I, make this money, because I don't want to sit here and get all of these types of equipment. I want to use my heat press. Now I got this thing then cut me off trying to upload some stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'll be in the mode and it just be like, you know what I'm saying? I was saying, got my heat press and I got the sublimation printers come in. Like, I feel like I've been buying a machine like every month, and you know what's so crazy? There's a machine that I want. I probably could have gotten it by the money I just spent. I'm like, why not? You know what I'm saying? So I'm feeling a little bit better, I had to sleep it off. My motivation is here today. I have all day to myself, so it should be no reason why I should not get nothing done. Like, I'm so serious. I got some notepads coming in, and I was just checking. It's saying that it is going to be shipped on Tuesday. So I already knew, because the lady did tell me. She said it is going to probably be a day or so late, and it's like a 4-day shipping. So from Tuesday, which is the 29th, so we also have the 30th, 31st. I'm hoping and praying the first that it comes, but y'all, let me tell y'all, I don't know. It may even come that Saturday. So I'm trying to figure out a way, how can I still promote it, because it's definitely, on the way. I have an actual representative to help me out with building my notepads, and I'm okay with it. I know I told myself before that I did want to do notepads again, but I decided to give notepads another try, because notepads, we all know, they're not sticky notepads, and they're not going to be sticky. But my thing is, I know people like the sticky. You can put washi tape on them. You can, there's so many ways on how to do stuff. So, and then going forward, I got some sticky notes that I want to do prior. But y'all, there's a big project that I've been wanting to get back into, and right now it's just not. Another thing I need to, when I say I'm tired of spending money, that's another thing about me getting all these different equipments, but I need these equipments. It's like why am I tripping? Because I need these equipments. Like, I need it. But I gotta make sure for sure I need to put it to good work. I haven't even fired up my freaking silhouette yet, y'all. If y'all wondering, and I wanted to make a video, just me and my experience with the silhouette, like, I haven't even done that because my mind is in so many places. And I can't focus on one thing at a time right now. I don't. Like, right now, I'm focusing on getting rid of the old videos that I got uploaded to my site when I do my editing. And I'm just like, but it's okay. So anyway, I'm gonna start some coffee. I gotta get my son. I'm gonna have to go pick him up soon. So it's like, I want to start something, but right now, at least what I can do is get these video uploaded to this computer so that way I can go ahead and, you know, so I could edit this later and such. I definitely do some editing. Like I said, I want this video to go out to Monday or Tuesday. I'm pushing for Monday, but if not Monday, it's fine. It can be Tuesday. I'm trying to upload at least once a week, guys. I don't have like a set date or day where, shall I say, where I want to upload, but yeah. So anyway, let me make some coffee, get my day going. It's gonna be a good day. It's going to be a good productive day, okay? So anyway, guys, I will chat with y'all in the next slide. Okay, Cravers, I'm on a mission. Decided to take my lunch, period. So here I am again, going to change around my office. I need to move this. I need to move this. This is going away. Yeah, it's about to get real. A while ago, I've purchased 2 of the metal shelves. Excuse my hair, y'all. I'm having a bad hair day, for real, for real. When I purchased the shelves, I thought that I was just going to use the shelf for shelving for, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Let me see something first, because I want to do it, but I want to make sure that I have enough room. But I do need to stop using this. See, like, you see how I just try to jump into something, and then now looking at it like, it's the same shelf that I have over there, and I believe I could put 2 crickets on there, but I'm going to be mad if I cannot. I thought I was recording, but I guess not. So anyway, I took the 2. It's so dusty down here, but I took the 2 off. And if I was to put the other printer down here, I don't think it's going to fit. It may or may not, but then again, I'm pretty sure it's not. If I put it next to this one, it's not going to fit. So I had to really figure out something. Unless I do the shelf here, I definitely have to move this. This, of course, will have to be moved. I don't know what the fuck. Sorry, I just don't know what to do with this. Like, I'm and then on top of this is like leaning, like, yeah, see that? And it's dipping in because I had the cut machines, you know, sitting on top of it. And this is a tall bookshelf, you guys did not know, that I've been using. And yeah, I just so my other thing was, I do have this table over here. But right now I gotta move everything off of this table. I mean, there's a plug there. There's a plug under here too. I got the heat press over there. I know I got some, because I took some stuff off of that shelf. That's why the table's looking crazy. But anyway, I do all the cut machines here. That does, you know, help. But I really don't want to move this. But if I move this, okay, then it's gonna have to go over there. It's gonna have to go over there, which is fine. But still, I don't know what the freak to do. It is 12:41. Thought I had this all planned out until I was like, damn, I can't put 2 on one shelf. Like, ugh. And then the fact that I had to go get the printer, I was not planning on spending another $3 something plus for this. So I could have got my shelf, but like, it wasn't a priority for real. I don't know. Let me. I'm thinking. Do it here because, first of all, I don't want my wall being covered up. There's no reason why it should be covered up. Plus it has shelves here, which I mean I could take off, but I don't want my wall to be covered up. And it's going to take up about that much space. Then I got these lights. Everything that I do pretty much is like a temporary fix, because I'm not for sure still. Like I said, I might have to move again. You know what I'm saying? I just like how I was just so going into it, and then come to find out I'm like, I can only put 1 machine on each, and that would cover all 4 machines for me. But you know, it's not gonna take me no hour. Now I got less of an hour to do now, so yeah, it definitely was not gonna take me no hour for sure. Bring Halo Dante back over here. And let me think about this more. I was so ready to just dive on in. But I'm happy I didn't pull that shelf out of there. Gonna find out this is what I'm, ooh. Okay. Okay, so I got them back there. I just, you know, let me just chill. But I love how I have like my toiletries and extra stuff to go down here, and plus other stuff that don't need to be here. But anyway, yeah, toothbrushes, soaps, laundry, detergent, sprays, glass cleaner, you know what I'm saying, extra, like, but I don't think that's gonna work. So maybe I should keep that there, because I like having my little storage for stuff. Now I'm thinking, like, if I was to take it out, where are they going? Except for what, the floor? Chore list is still doing good. I'm just still doing good. You don't realize that you clean the kitchen like 2, maybe 3 times a day, depending on how many days. Is. Like, if you don't, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's just me. But now Prime is getting really good to where he puts his dish in the sink, and, you know, I'm still trying to get him used to what goes in the sink and what goes in the trash. I got a feeling Brumman might have put his fork in the trash and it might be gone. No idea where it's at. So it's probably gone. And yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah. What did you guys think that now that, you know, obviously
Today has been by far a good day. So I have an update that my printer will be here in about, well, it says time frame is going to be between 5 and 7 right now. Yeah, right now it is 4:16. I'm hoping it gets here before I have to go out and get baby boy. I feel like I'm going through a transition in my life, and it's a good transition, but I can't explain this transition, but it feels good, but it's not something that's, I just, as much as I stress, I'm always have things ready. Like, I stress about so much, but I also get so much done. And in the end, I'm like, what was I stressing for? You know, I don't want to ask myself if I'm ready, because I know I'm ready. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if, we shall see what happens. This is going to be very interesting. I'm so excited because you know why? It's here! It's here! And I got my Sublimation because I am not playing no games, y'all. Y'all don't understand. This here? Yeah, it's about to go all over. Y'all don't understand. I got work to do. And I'm like spamming Instagram like every day so far. So, excuse me, where's my scissors? If I had control over to do my prints for stuff, and I also got something else coming in tomorrow, then, you know what I mean? If I can control my stock area and things, I can create my custom things myself, you guys have no idea how far I can go with this. And like, I cannot wait to show you guys. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and open up this bad boy so we can get this started. I'm so excited. Oh wow. I know I should not have this knife down here. I need to put this back upstairs. There's all my inks. Wow. Here's all my inks and such I got in here. Directions, cord. Now, I already looked up a bunch of videos on setting this up. So right now, wow. Okay, hold up. Okay. Shoot. It might be able to, I don't know, y'all. We're going to have to see if it will fit over here. Oh, yes. Oh my God, look at this. Look, it's not even that big. It's a refurbished one, but I'm okay with refurbished. But still, Look. Okay, okay. Look, let me chill. Let me take the tape off. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's the Epson. That's what it is. ET3710. This is the one. Okay. Definitely fit. Oh my gosh. I got the sink. And this is me being new, y'all. So I'm not like, but this is the ink I need to put in. I was told that I need to put this in before I start or crank this bad boy up. So that is what I'm going to do, is go ahead and get this in here. I have to pour it in the printer. I know my background looking crazy. That's what it looks like. Cannot believe I have a supplement. This was literally like in the moment of like, the moment. Am I on the whole get a new machine every month thing? No. So I have this open, and I gotta open like this, and these come up. You see, this is where it fills right here. So I have to take these and put them in here. I was told these actually fit right on. There's some that have syringes, which that might actually work. Okay, so now I see. I was like getting a little worried for a second that I wasn't getting it in there. Oh wow. By the time this gets full. Okay, so that's blue. Oh, that's dope. And I still have stuff in there. Now the black was, I don't know what the black was doing, so let me go ahead and do it again. Oh, there it goes. I was like, what am I doing wrong, y'all? I had to push it down to make sure I squeeze. Oh, wow. Okay. I like how they, ooh. Like that took all of this. Now this printer I'm definitely going to just use for sublimation. I'm not looking for regular prints because I have, yeah, I know I got 2 other printers. Okay. I know people use syringes and start putting it in that way. This is fine because it fits like exactly on it. So I can see that I'm definitely going to be needing to get more black, and that's fine. Dang, I still got a lot of yellow left. Okay. All right. So as you can see, got the ink in, and they're in there and ready to go. Ooh, we all set, and I gotta do my things, English. Oh, that's okay. I know I got this because I done went through 2 different people to help me out with my print sublimation sheets, and they went wrong, both of them. See the start here sheet to complete utilization. Okay, see the start here sheet. Hold on. So that's why I had to get this bad boy. But now it's actually the best investments. Like, I'm doing some really good investments this year. Oh, I'm turning it off. My God, I gotta get used to this. English. Alrighty, cravers, what I'm gonna do is, I hate to do this to y'all, but I'm gonna have to end this video. Right now I'm letting everything run its course as it should. And yeah, so the next video is gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with this, and we're just gonna go from there. And I'm excited, nervous at the same time. I'm hoping that, you know, and I know everything, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna make sure things are going to go good. Things will. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog because it's going to be fun. I will chat with y'all later. Bye.